Good day everyone and welcome to another video. I know many of you are expecting our last video on partial fraction, which is the method we'll talk about when we talk about it. Today I'm going to try and address a topic which somebody hit up on my WhatsApp and would like me to address it. And like I always say, if you drop a question on my WhatsApp, I will always address it. And I'm actually going to begin a video on number line. Okay, number line is one of the basic metrics in mathematics. Is an aspect of math I believe that each and every one of us should know. And if you do not know it, there's an opportunity to grab the opportunity to grasp knowledge of it. I may not be going through the textbook method of solving number line. I'll actually be using a method which I have developed for myself and I believe can work for many Nigerian students. So I'm going to actually look at what is the use of number line. Number line is basically a line of numbers that is used to add and subtract numbers. You can also use it in multiplication, but I don't see the need for number line if you can be smart. Now you can think of number line in your head, but I basically think addition and subtraction should help you get rid of number line. Now how do I mean? Basically number line has been set to solve questions like when you have minus 15 plus 5. A whole lot of people, many Nigerian students, will go to a number line and do this. Okay, number line is basically an array of numbers. So you're going to try and make sure that you have a reasonable amount of numbers. What's the lowest number here? Minus 15. So I'm going to try and accommodate minus 15. Okay. There should be a focal point, center point, which is 0. So you have minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, 8, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, and so on, up to 4, 3, okay, let's shift our 0, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you do this, and then you have minus 15 plus 5. Now, the rule of number line says that for addition, you move forward, and for subtraction, you move backward. So, what is our starting point? Is the first number we're given. Minus 15 is our starting point, so we start from minus 15. And plus 5. So meaning plus means forward, so move 5 times forward as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And successfully we are able to solve this question. And minus 15 plus 5, we stopped at minus 10, so it's minus 10. Or alternatively, but which is more difficult, I do not recommend you do this, since this is plus 5, the sign of 5 is plus. And it is being subtracted from, and 15 is being subtracted from it. So you can go to from 5 and go 15 times backward, you still end up here. I don't recommend you do that, I recommend you do this, but if you prefer to go from 5 back 15 times, then good for you. But I don't want students to rely on this. I believe you can bypass this number line. I believe there are ways which we can solve mathematics regarding addition and subtraction without the use of this number line. Now I'll be showing us some highlights of how we can do that. Now let's look at the good. Okay, now let's take a look at this minus 15 plus 5, the same question. So I would like us to draw a picture in our mind. Imagine you are owing someone 15 naira or $15 or cents, whatever currency you operate in, and you have 5 naira. Maybe your mom gives you 5 naira, and that's an addition to you. So you have to pay off your old debt, and when you pay off your debt, you pay the person 5 naira back out of 15 naira. Automatically, you can deduce that you are still going to be owing the person 10 naira, and owing in mathematics is negative. So you can automatically say you are owing 10 naira. Another way I think you can bypass the number line is this. Now, I'm going to say something. When you have different signs, you subtract. You subtract. And when you have same sign, you add. Now, this is very simple. When you have two different signs in mathematics, subtract and add the sign of the biggest number. I have minus 15 and plus 5. Subtract 15 minus 5. Forget the plus and the minus. Once I have seen that the signs are different, all I have to do is 15 minus 5. It gives me 10. What is the sign of the bigger number? Which is 15 minus, I put minus 10. Let's look at another example. I have minus 7 plus 8. Okay? All I have to do, I have seen I have different signs, so I don't bother myself. 8 minus 7 gives me 1 because 8 is bigger than 7. Of course, 7 can't minus 8 logically, unless in mathematical terms. So 8 minus 7 gives us 1. And what is the sign of the bigger number? 8, which is plus, so it's plus 1. You don't have to stress yourself. And let's look at when they are the same sign. Of course, if you have 5 plus 4, you know that there is a positive sign here, there is a positive sign here. Logically, you do 5 plus 4 is 9, and the sign of the bigger number is plus, so it remains plus. But the twist is when you have minus 5 minus 4. Many students fail this a lot. And this is some of them will do 5 minus 4 and write minus 1 as their answer, which is very, very wrong. So all you have to do, because they are the same sign, don't look at the fact that it's minus and minus. They are the same sign. All you have to do is add. 5 plus 4 gives you 9. 9. So what is the sign of the bigger number? Which is 5 minus, and that makes it minus 9. By this, I believe you can bypass any use or any need for number line. So, whosoever is having difficulty in number line, I think I have shown you how to use the number line, but I also think that you do not need the number line and you can bypass the number line. And thank you so much, and always forget to like, subscribe, comment, share our videos, and hit me up on WhatsApp. I dropped my number in the last video and I'm going to drop it here again. 08137475623. I'll always answer your questions on WhatsApp, and please do it to subscribe. Let's build this channel together. Thank you.